Nobody has eyes that size. Nobody. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you're new here, please click the little subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it, as most people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Today I have a mystery box from Let's Face It. When I got my April beauty box, I noticed that they had £10 mystery boxes. So I think you get 6 items in there, and I have no idea what's in it, but it's £10. Let's give it a go. Let's see what it's like. I bought it so you don't have to. I noticed that had never been on there before. That was a new thing. So if you've not seen it before, it's out of stock now. Keep your eye out and see, you know, when they come back in stock. I'm excited. £10. So, you know, it's very heavy. It's very heavy. Hopefully it's just not got a brick in it or something. I'll leave the website down below if you don't know who they are. It is quite a new subscription service online. And yeah, I'll put the website down below. But I have already done 2 videos on Let's Face It for March and April. It smells funky. It actually smells like tea or something. Or flowers. Maybe it's got flowers in it. Maybe it's got a brick and flowers. It's actually really heavy. It comes in this box here with Let's Face It around the ribbon and the little logo they've got going on here. So this is how it comes in the box. So it's got a little note on here that says Let's Face It and thank you for ordering. It's got a massive bottle from Beauty Formulas. It's gel cleanser, retinol and anti-aging extreme moisture. Helps target the signs of aging in the quest for a more youthful appearance. Beauty Formula's retinol anti-aging skincare is expertly formulated to help fight the visible signs of aging. Its gentle yet effective formulas harness the power of retinol, helping your skin feel younger and healthier. Very nice. It's got vitamin E and Pro B5 to deliver a deep, refreshing cleanse to your skin. Very nice. It's absolutely huge. It says it's vegan as well. And it's 150ml. I don't really use gel cleansers, but that'll be nice to give it a go. It's absolutely massive. That's why it was so heavy, because this bottle, this hefty bottle. The next thing we've got is, oh my God. The next thing we've got is a pair of lashes from Oh My Lash. Now I'm going to open... Wait till you see these. Okay, so they come in a little container like this, which is quite cute to carry them around. Let's see if I can open it so you can get the full effect. Wow. Is it just me or are they huge? Nobody has eyes that size. Nobody. There is no way anyone has eyes that wide. So I'll cut them in half then, shall I? They are absolutely massive. We're going to have to try them out on a big fancy look, but yeah, they are huge. But the container's cute. Cute. Next thing we've got in here is from the Natural Spa, and it's Chamomile Pine Body Scrub. So it's a 75g tub, which again is quite a good size. Chamomile, pine. Bet that's, oh, it smells like trees. That smells beautiful. So it's from the Natural Spa Cosmetics company. Yeah, never tried anything from them before. I love chamomile and pine actually, and I'm gonna end up smelling like a toilet. Whoa, that smells strong. I reckon that's actually going to be really good. It's very big chunks of scrub, very big chunks. So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving that a go, seeing how good that is, but I reckon that'll be really, really nice actually. We then have a mask. It's from W7 and it's the Watermelon Shots Mini Sheet Mask. Contains watermelon extract, aloe vera, peppermint and hyaluronic acid. Very nice. I feel like I got this one last time. in the March box. Another mask, which is one of those funky ones from W7 where you do it in 2 steps. So it's pore minimizing 2-step treatment mask. Step 1 is pore minimizing 3D mask. Step 2 is deep moisturizing. So I think you mix them both together, and then there's like some jelly stuff up there, and then I think the sheet mask down there. But yeah, very nice. We've got 2 more products. The first one, I did get this in my March, let's face it, beauty box, which is a eyeshadow palette with a bunny rabbit on it, which is very cute packaging, very cute. I did talk about this in my March box, so I won't go into too much detail on this, but it is a nice addition to a £10 mystery box. To be fair, I think it's already paid for itself anyway. But yeah, that's cute. And then the last thing I've got is from Pop Feel, and it is a lip gloss palette. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is completely bare. It says absolutely nothing on it. But it has got some product information and ingredients on the back of the pack there. This feels very, very cheap, a bit flimsy. Okay, so it is an actual full-on lip gloss palette with probably every colour you could want, including a black at the end. I'm not quite sure how a black lip gloss is going to go down. But yeah, every shade of red and pink and nude and purple, brown and black. I'm not a lip gloss person. I'm not going to touch it. And I could potentially give that away to somebody or something. I will definitely not use that, to be honest, because I'm just not a lip gloss person at all. I like my matte, I like my lipstick. Instead of it going to waste, I'll possibly give it away to someone maybe. To be fair, for £10, I think I definitely got my money's worth. That gel cleanser I'm definitely going to use, and the scrub. I'm going to give the eyeshadow palette away because I already have that exact one. The 2 masks as well. Oh, the 2 masks as well I can use. The eyelashes are still scaring me a little bit. I think the target audience of that £10 mystery box is definitely quite young. I think that box would be absolutely lovely for like a teen, someone that's just getting into makeup and beauty and stuff like that and likes trying out things. I think that would be really nice for them, really nice. I don't really have anyone in my family or anything that is quite young. I will just give the entire box to them, but I don't have anyone. The products are probably a little bit too young for me. I'm getting on a bit now, so you know it's not really my thing, but you definitely get good value. There's a nice amount of products in there, and I think for if you've got any family relatives that are quite young, any teens, anything like that, anyone that's just getting into it will really like it. And yeah, let me know down below what you think. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.